Hello my dear students, welcome back to Learn Physics. In today's video, we are continuing with our measurement and errors chapter, but here today we are going to do some numericals which had come in the previous years for NEET preparation. Okay, for this NEET preparation book, DC Pandey's book only, but a NEET preparation series textbook, I am going to consider some of the questions related to the error topic and significant figures, and along with that some of the some of the questions from dimensions also will do. Okay, dimensions actually I'll prefer after doing all the at least the first this class 11 portions. After completing the class 11 portions we will do the dimensions. Otherwise I don't know, I'm not sure how many of you will be thorough with the formulas and all. Okay, so here today I am preferring about the assertion reason type questions, and this assertion reason type questions I told you many times that's in one of my video itself I told you how to approach this assertion reason type questions. For that, see here for assertion questions it will come like, see first one, assertion and a reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation for correct explanation, and assertion and reason are true. Reason is not the correct explanation, not correct explanation. This will be the second one. And third one is assertion is true, reason is false. Fourth one, assertion is false, reason is true. Then fifth one, both assertion and reason are false. So these are the four options which will be given in assertion reason type questions, and in that after reading the assertion statement and reason statement you can tell whether which one is correct. Okay, if assertion is true, if you are getting assertion as true, the options which may this one will be in the can come as an answer, or this one can come as this one also can come as an answer. Okay, we can eliminate D and D. Then you can just check for reason. If reason is correct, reason is true, then we can eliminate this also, because here reason is false, right? So if reason comes like it is true, any one of these options will be the answers. And here itself, reason is the correct explanation or not the correct explanation for the assertion. So after assertion statement, if you are putting one because and then you are reading the reason, if you are getting it like correct explanation, this first one will be the answer. If it is not the correct explanation, because won't be matching over there, then you can go for the B. Okay, this is how you will be eliminating the answers, eliminating the options which is given here. So shall we move to the first one? So the first question which is given over here is, number of significant figures in 0.005 is 1 and that of 0.0. Here the options are 0.005 is 1 and 0.500 are 3. Significant figure, number of significant figures are given like this. This is assertion. And for reason it is given like, this is because zeros before the decimals are non-significant. 0 before the decimals are non-significant. So first we should check whether this is correct or not. All these are not considered as significant. Only one significant figure, this is correct. And here 1, 2, 3. After that decimal point, a non-zero number, and after that the zeros which is coming out will be considered as significant. So it is 3 significant figures are there. That also true. So assertion is true. And reason, this is because the zeros before the decimal are non-significant. So if any zero coming before decimal point, will we consider it as a non-significant? Suppose 10.476. This is a zero before decimal point, right? This one we will consider it as a significant figure only, right? So that reason is false. So assertion is true, reason is false. So here we will get the answer as C. Okay, clear? So we can assertion is true, reason is false, assertion true, reason false. This will go for that answer. Next one. Next question. When we change the unit of measurement of a quantity, its numerical value changes. See, 4.7 centimeter. This one, if I want to make it in meters, 4.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters I will write. So whether significant figures are changing? No, it's not. Its numerals won't be changing. So assertion is false. So here it is given like it's when we change the unit of measurement, its numerical value changes, it is given. So assertion is false. Assertion is false. And reason, smaller the unit of measurement, smaller is its numerical value. Unit of measurement is small. It's not compulsory the numeral will be small, right? So that also false. So we can go for the E. E will be the answer. So next question is, pressure has the dimension of energy density. Assertion is given, pressure has the dimension of energy density. Pressure means energy density means energy per unit volume. Energy, what is the formula for finding out? Any one of the energies you can take and find out the dimension. Energy mgh, if I am taking m l t to the power minus 2 into L. So ml square t to the power minus 2 divided by L cube. So ml to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2 we will get. Okay, this is energy. Then pressure is the dimension. Pressure has the dimension of energy. So what is the dimension of pressure? Pressure is force by area. ml t to the power ma divided by L square. Area is L square. So ml to the power minus 2 minus 1 t to the power minus 2. So this assertion is, we got it as true. Assertion is true. Now reason, energy density equals ml to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2. So pressure. So this explanation they had given it as the reason. So can we say it is correct? Yes. Reason also correct only. Assertion also correct only. And this one, energy density, pressure has the dimension of energy density because the energy density equals, they had given this explanation and wrote this as equal to dimension of pressure. So it is the correct explanation which is given over here. This one was given as reason. Okay. So we will go for the answer. First answer, assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Next, fifth one. When the percentage error in the measurement of mass and velocity are 1% and 2% respectively. So next question it is given here, fifth question. Mass is percentage error is 1%, velocity percentage error is 2%. This kinetic energy percentage error is, we will get it as 5%. This is given as assertion. Okay. Now reason equals. Before that we will check whether kinetic energy is 5% or not. How we can find out? Kinetic energy equals half mv square. Right? So percentage error when we are calculating kinetic delta Ke divided by K into 100, that will be equal to delta m by m into 100 plus 2 into delta V by V, because V square. So 2 into delta V by V into 100, that is 2. So here we will get it as 5%. So it's true. Assertion is true. Now reason is kinetic energy E equals half mv square, delta E by E equals delta m by m equals 2 into delta V by V, it is given. So here reason is given like delta E by E equals delta m by m plus 2 into delta V by V. It's given over here. Is it the correct explanation? Yes, it's the correct explanation. So assertion and reason are true, but and reason as the correct explanation for assertion. So here also we will go for the option A. Okay, both are correct. Next question. The error in the measurement of radius of sphere is 0.3 percentage. Okay, so error in radius is given as not 0.3 only, 0.3 percentage. The permissible error in its surface area is 0.6 percentage. So error in surface area is given as 0.6 percentage. Surface area, what is the formula? 4 pi r square, right? So it is 2 into delta r by r, 2 into 0.3. So here we are getting it as 0.6 percentage only. So assertion is true. Then reason it is given like delta A by A equals 4 into delta R by R. So is the correct one? No, 2 into delta R by R. Instead of that here it is given like 4 into delta R by R. So reason is false. Assertion is true, reason is false. So we can go for the option C. C is the correct option. Clear? So the next one is light year and wavelength consists of dimensions of length. Light year is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year. That is distance travelled. So it is the measurement of length only. And wavelength, distance between two consecutive crust or trough or ray refraction and compression also we can say. So or length of one wave, that is wavelength. So that assertion is true here. Both light year and wavelength represent time. That's obviously false. Just now only we told. So assertion is true, reason is false. We can go for the option C. Then out of two measurements, L equals 0.7 meter and L equals 0.70 meter. The second one is more accurate. This is more accurate because our resolution, as the resolution increases or the least count increases, according to that accuracy also will be increasing. So it's more accurate, it is given. So assertion is true. And now we will go for the reason. In every measurement, so this is assertion is true. Then now reason. In every measurement, the last digit is not accurately known. Okay, last digit is not accurately known, it is given. Whether it is correct or not, in the last digit, in all the measurements, last digit is not accurately known. That is correct only, right? It's true only the last digit is not accurately known. But here 0.7 and 0.70 meter, here this is more accurate, it is given. Whether this is the reason is explaining about the correct reason, because here I should say like the last digit means here 0.7. 0.7 is not accurate. See, this one is in this 7 is not accurately known and here 0 is not accurately known. That is correct. But depending on the accuracy, we should say as the least count is increasing, according to that accuracy will be increasing. Right? The number of significant figures in the least count is increasing according to that. So assertion is true, reason is true. But the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So we will go for the option B here. Clear? Next one. If x equals, next question is x equals a to the power n divided by b to the power m, delta x by x equals n into plus or minus delta a by a minus m into plus or minus delta b by b. The change in a or b, that is delta A or delta B, may be comparable to A and B. This is assertion. And this is for assertion it is given. Reason is the above relation is valid when delta A is very much less than A and delta B is very much less than B. So this is correct or not. First we will move to the assertion. Okay, delta x by x. delta x by x equals n into plus or minus delta by a minus m into plus or minus delta b by b. Is it correct? No, because in multiplication and division we should go for the positive sign only, right? The errors, relative errors should added up in multiplication and division. So this is wrong. Assertion is false. And now we are moving to the reason. So the change in error, that is the absolute error should be very much less than a. Otherwise the answer itself will be, it is not an error. It's a wrong answer we should say. Here delta error can be, slight variation can come in the final answer. That is called as error, right? So this is only, this is true only. This variation is only possible for in the case of errors. So here assertion we got it as false and reason is true. So we can go for the option D here. Clear? Then next one. Absolute error may be negative or positive. That is the assertion. Assertion absolute error is negative, difference between the mean value of error, true value and the measured value. That is called it's absolute error. Right. So if I have n number of readings, A1, A2, A3, etc. An I have, then how I will find out the true value? I will I will write down the mean. I will find out the mean first. Mean of all the measured values will give you the true value or measured value. This is the true value. And then each true value, An minus A1, we can A mean minus A1. That one when we are finding out, it can either be positive or negative. So here it is given absolute error may be negative or positive. Correct only. Second one, absolute error is the difference between the real value and measured value of a physical quantity. So it's the difference between the real value or true value and the what is that, and the measured value. That also true. Assertion is the and reason are true, whether it is the correct explanation when we are taking the negative. See, 1 minus true value A1, A mean minus A1, A mean minus A2. Then while we are taking that one, we will be getting the answer as positive or negative. So it is correct only. So we can go for the option A, assertion and reason are true, and it is the correct explanation. Next question is given. Here the question gives like root of modulus of assertion is root of modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity divided by density has the unit of meter per second. And here acceleration, reason is given like acceleration has the dimension of 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0 into t. So this is given. First we will check whether assertion and reason are true or not. So modulus of elasticity divided by density has the same unit meter per second. So this here we can use dimensional analysis. So modulus of elasticity means stress by strain. That constant is called a modulus of elasticity. So what is the unit of stress? Stress means force by area. Dimension of strain is, it's a dimensionless quantity because it's change in dimension divided by original dimension when we are considering, it will get cancelled, so it doesn't have any unit. So we should consider only for the stress, force by area. Force, first I am considering assertion, force by area, that is m L to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, or we can write it as its pressure. Okay, divided by density is mass by volume, L cube, square root. M and M will get cancelled. So here we will get it as L square T to the power minus 2 under root. So L to T to the power minus 1. Clear? So it is meter per second. It's correct only. So assertion is true. Now we should go for reason. 1 by root mu 0 into T. What is 1 by root mu 0? C equals 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0 we would have learned. Right? So it is 1 by C divided by T. 1 by root mu 0 epsilon 0 c divided by t, that is cs L t to the power minus 1 divided by t L t to the power minus 2. Okay, L t to the power minus 2 is the acceleration, correct only. So here one derivation is given, here another derivation is given. So both are correct only. Assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct. Not the correct explanation for the assertion. We will go for the option B. Okay, clear children? So these are some of the questions which is related to this error, and some questions were there for the dimension also, and that was easy question, easy dimensions only I had chosen. And here on this, after completing your 11th, what you should do is same kind of dimensions which and all it is coming, that one you should see. Okay, here in this textbook it's already given like which and all are have, you can just go through that. If you have this textbook it's good, otherwise in Amazon also it's available. I bought it from Amazon only. So here it's given, it's for the preliminary children, it's very good. Preliminary children in the sense for the level 1 students. Okay, first you can go for this one, and after that you can go for HC Verma and all. Okay, so here go through the textbooks, and whichever worksheets and all you are giving, you are getting, you can please go through that also. And that's all for today, and in next video we will be coming with some more numericals. Okay, if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.